Yo, all my niggas that's my subjects and shit like that, I would just like to tell y'all that the queen, Yesenia's queen of the Pitbulls has returned. The mother of Pitbulls, I'm here for y'all niggas. You know what I'm saying? Because Game of Thrones is back. And I'm gonna get in that motherfucker anyway, anyhow that I could do it. You feel me? Because I'm trying to, this is my moment. You feel me? Like niggas are trying to cancel Cardi, so I'm gonna jump right in that spot, B. Stop playing. Yo, I'm here to destroy every Dothraki nigga. You know what I'm saying? And all y'all niggas, all the Albanian niggas from Pelham Park, where I got beef with y'all niggas too. You know what I'm saying? And Morris Park, yo, y'all niggas be low-key racist, but yo, it's all good. But yo, I run Bronx to Rose. That's it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I run this whole shit. You feel me? Like, niggas is not fucking with me. You see what I did? Like, yo, I lit a Dutch nigga and I lit myself on fire. And I survived. You know what I'm saying? So, that means that I'm magical and untouchable. Y'all niggas can't touch me. You know what I'm saying? My pussy platinum. Stupid. You know what I'm saying? So, all I gotta say is that, yo, I got my dragons, I got my niggas with me, they all ride horses, they all castrated, they all units and shit like that. So they bang out and they don't give a fuck. They're not even trying to smash, you feel me? And yo, and fuck the White Walkers, fuck the Winter Walkers, all y'all niggas as, you know why? Because the hoe never gets cold. To quote my god, the god Barty, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? This is Bodega Boys episode 155, nigga. And 155 is where I had the spot popping at, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Just to take it back for y'all old school niggas. Yo, 155, Bodega Boys stupid. You know what I'm saying? Yesenia's in the motherfucking building. The queen of the motherfucking, the mother of Pitbulls, nigga. I'm the motherfucking, I'm the queen of the red nose. Stupid. So fuck out of here. Yo, I will put my sword straight up your fucking ass, niggas. Stop fucking playing with me, yo. You niggas think I'm pussy? I'm not pussy, yo. You see what I did to that bitch at Sue's, nigga, in 98. Stop fucking playing with me, yo. I'm running this shit now. Do the fucking drop, yo, before I get tight and make this dragon shoot fire all over all y'all niggas. Fuck out of here. Do the fucking drop. Do it now. Do it. Do it. Go.
$155.
You know what I'm saying?
Bodega Boys in the building. You know, this world's most I think
illustrious?
other people's illustrious podcast. Yeah, that would work.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what we do.
Be out here.
Just be out here talking.
Just being illustrious.
It's illustrious. Wasn't that a song by Mobb Deep? Illustrious. Yes.
And they spelled it wrong. They spelled it with an A.
Yeah, they did.
They spelled illustrious.
I mean, you had spell check money back then? You want a video or you want grammatically correct credits?
That's true. Okay? I would much rather have an incorrect spell title than, you know what I'm saying, miss out on Prodigy saying shit like, I'll take your most VP thun and leave him like a letter T.
See?
I was like, damn, that was art, nigga.
Oh, shit.
Rest in peace, Prodigy.
Real hip-hop had never respected grammar.
Nah, never.
Turn all your S's into Z's.
Nah. You know what I'm saying? You got to spell shit mad wrong.
Okay.
That's the whole essence of hip-hop.
Hip-hop.
Yo, cold crazy legs right now. Nigga break dance on the table.
All right. Let's relax. I mean, I fuck with hip-hop. You know, I bangs with the real hip-hop.
Okay.
I got to draw the line of breakdancing.
No break, you know, no.
It's not practical. I think, you know what it is? Back in like the 80s.
Oh, yeah.
There wasn't as many people in New York, so we didn't live in such close corners. But where can you really breakdance? Like, if a nigga came in right now, it was like windmilling right now. You don't understand how tight we'd be? Be kicking shit over.
Fam, you just knocked over. Yo,
and then you got to have cardboard. Where you getting cardboard from in New York right now?
No, nigga. You didn't bring your own cardboard?
Okay.
You trying to break? Nigga, you just kicked over 6 beers.
Also, I think a lot of breakdancers was just niggas was drug addicts.
That also.
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like a lot of them became drug addicts. Because,
I feel like they was like already, to hide their little spasms and shit on the dance floor. They was like, oh, he's popping and locking. Hey,
I'm not having a seizure.
Think about it. The first time you saw a nigga popping and locking, you didn't think he was dancing. You was like, oh shit.
I was like, what's wrong with this nigga?
Oh shit, call EMS. Tito flatline. Yo, he got a dirty spike.
Yo, shout out to all the old school niggas out there that's still doing it, like that are like 55 years old.
Still doing what, drugs or breakdancing?
Both.
Everything go hand in hand. There's a lot of people out there, what they do, they wake up in the morning,
you know what I'm saying?
Get right, go to the handball court,
you know what I'm saying?
Get it in with the handball, you know what I'm saying?
Get a little cardio in.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe they bring a radio. No, they bring a Bluetooth speaker system their great grandkids got for them, and then they play a little bachata off it, some freestyle, maybe some cool herc,
nigga, and that's it. And then it gradually goes into like, yo, Then Julio pops out with the cardboard. They throw the cardboard down, then you just hear. And they're like, oh shit. It's like they all activated at the same time and shit. Niggas start battling and doing all of this.
All of that. And then the one nigga spin on his head and he know he's not supposed to. He got the pacemaker.
Yes. You know what I'm saying?
He there with his niece and shit. She's mad concerned.
Shit ends in with a knife fight because one nigga does the move where he's just like, he grabs his dick and he's like, put it in your mouth. Like,
But when he do send some pubes and shit. It's wild disrespectful.
Wild disrespectful, B.
One of the shorties there used to be hot in like 85.
Yeah, not so much.
Not so much now. Now, you know what? She's lived the life and, you know, life has lived with her.
Yes. Yeah. Now, you know, a Puerto Rican titis wash when they just give up on their hair and they just get the Caesar.
Wow.
It's like, yo, I retired from the game.
Yeah. That's like hanging your jersey in the rafters.
You know what I'm saying?
Hanging your jersey in the rafters and afters.
I dyed my shit blonde. I got the Caesar. That's it.
The blonde Caesar. That's when you start making like aspirational Instagram posts. Yo. Just a picture of you with your legs crossed and some colorful high heels reading a book.
Yep, that's it.
Like
yo,
I believe in me. Because I'm the only one that did it.
That's right.
And then they make up their own hashtags like
hashtag realize. I'm like, yo,
come on, man.
That's cliche.
And then like cliche. Maybe after 6 months they print that hashtag on a t-shirt and try to sell it. But they don't know price point, so the shit's like $60.
I'm like, yo, this shit is a gilding. It's like you took a picture and I can see the tag.
Link in bio. Please buy now before because supplies are limited.
Supplies are OD limited because I only made 20 because I expect to sell 5.
Wow, we're some haters.
Yeah.
Nah, you know what? We're not haters. You know what it is? Because
we're realists.
We're like black Republicans. We pulled ourselves up for the bootstraps, and now we look down on everyone else. Like, look at these pores. Why can't you do what I did? I'm Ben Carson.
Why can't you just waste your time writing a blog and writing on Twitter and fucking doing all this stupid shit?
It's not that hard.
That eventually leads to a lucrative entertainment career.
Yeah, I mean, you know. Oh, yeah, speaking of lucrative entertainment career, shout out to Showtime. Shout out to Desus and Mero, #1 show on late night Thursdays at 11 p.m. You know what it is.
You know what I'm saying?
Just had AK-47 on there and Kendrick.
That's right.
I didn't mess up her name this time.
That's right.
We got some other people coming out. We got
Stacey Abrams was in the building yesterday.
Stacey Abrams
on some serious shit.
On some serious shit. You know what I'm saying? We was learning.
We learned.
Okay.
And then we have fun. It's edutainment, like KRS-One said, bringing it back to the hip hop elements.
Okay. We don't let's limit the KRS-One.
Edutainment.
I don't know now.
Now drink Supremo for nearly everybody. I'm like, damn, nigga,
Should I play 13 and good?
I'm like, you
forgot?
Yeah,
good. Should that be our next
13 and good?
That's our new next sound. What was he going through? What was going on in the world?
I don't know. Was that Scott LaRock's idea? I don't know. Like, listen.
It's not good if a partner dies, but it's good because you could be like, that was dead nigga.
Yeah, he did it. He did that shit. He made me do that shit.
Yeah, like if something happens to one of us, like just be like, wild shit. That was Jesus.
Yeah, that was it. Yeah, that was that nigga. Yeah.
That nigga was wild.
It seemed genius at the time, but it was just like, in retrospect, it was like in poor taste, and I apologize.
But I'll come back and haunt the studio. And every time, like, you guys are gonna be recording, and Hasan's be like, "Stop!" The computer just froze. I'm like, "Boo!" I'll make the fucking SD card eject from the camera and shit. Would that be a good movie? No, probably not. Yeah, Does that mean it can't be made? No. Because there's no correlation between the making of a bad movie and the shit actually being put in theaters.
You know what I'm saying?
I've learned that.
It's like sneakers being hype.
All right. You know so when I make this fucking Jamaican movie about haunted curry goat.
Ooh, can't wait.
Mm-hmm.
Man.
Yes, it is too boring, huh?
I had a great idea where I was just like, yo, I'm gonna just take every episode of Eastbound and Down and just turn it into a Dominican guy and then just ride with that.
There you go.
Not change anything at all.
Nobody will know the difference.
Nobody will know.
Nobody will know the difference.
What I'm saying? I'll just be like, hey, papi, I feel it in my plums. That's it.
There we go.
You know what I'm saying? Bang, we did.
There we go.
$1 million. Cut the check.
I'm taking 6 feet under and The Wire and just putting them together, and it's about a family that's trafficking drugs and caskets.
Yo, bang, Frank Lucas shit.
Everything else stays the same. There's the white guy with the black husband.
Yep.
There's the wild, depressed daughter, all that shit, you know?
Keep it the same, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
But different.
Still got the Sia song in the final track.
Yo. Does Sia show her face now regularly? Is that her?
I think so. She got the yeeks. So shout out to her.
She does.
I think that's what caused her. That made her give her anxiety. She probably was getting like street harassed and shit.
Oh, because of the yeeks?
Yeah.
So she's like, I'm gonna cover my face. Why don't you cover your yeeks? Put a wig on your yeeks.
Well, that puts the onus on. I don't know.
You feel me?
I don't be street harassing chicks.
Like, I mean,
wow, I almost said the B word. Wow. I don't be trying to be a better Jesus. Now I don't know. I don't know. I'm just going off barbershop rumors and shit.
Yeah, no, that's true.
Which are great rumors because barbershop rumors is like when you make music, you just have the stems. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's not the fully fleshed out shit. Like, I know a little shit. I don't know a lot. Yeah, you know what I mean?
I mean, I guess it makes sense.
Like niggas is like, yo, you heard Alpo's running for president? I was like, that don't make no sense because he's a felon. Like,
and then you're like,
but I mean, he's fundraising enough. He could probably. Yeah.
I saw him at CPAC.
Yeah.
So maybe
he gonna get a lot of that APAC money. So you know what I'm saying? He's out here. He's like, vote for me. I'm a snitch. Like,
listen.
If
they like snitches in the White House.
You know what? I would like to point this out. Lori Lofton, Aunt Becky from Full House.
She said, "Fuck that! I ain't snitching on nobody. I'm doing my time."
She has more street cred than Tekashi.
That's facts.
That's
she
fucking
said,
wild.
"Yo, fuck y'all niggas."
She looked at the plea bargain. She spit on it like
fuck out of here.
She was like, "Cut that out."
Yeah, nigga. I'm staying in front of the judge about the lie. Plus,
and I'm high too. Whatever.
What?
So she was like, "Yo," it was like, "What's your plea?" She was like, "Yo, respectfully, Your Honor, if I could approach the court." Yo, y'all can suck my whole dick from the back, my nigga. Fuck that. Lori Lofton, nigga. And next time you see me in jail, it's gonna be in a body bag.
That's right, nigga. You know what I'm saying? It's Aunt Becky, nigga. You know why I call me Becky, nigga? Because, I want my fucking sucking my dick over here. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here.
The lawyer's like, Ms. Lofton, he's a very serious person.
She's like, I'm firing my lawyer. I got a new lawyer.
Matter of fact, I'm representing myself.
You know what I'm saying?
I watch Judge Judy. I know what it is.
Fuck out of here.
Fuck that. What's the blue book value of that college?
Yo, shout out to USC. Like, now is USC tainted now? Like, tainted.
I don't think that's gonna stop anyone who wanted to go to USC.
Oh yeah.
Like they're gonna be like, well, I can't go to this school now. Like,
true. Yeah. Why do you even want to? Like, why would you even want to go to college?
You know why? So you can be crippled with student loan debt after 4 years. Yeah. That's how the government gets you. That's how they crush your dreams.
Yeah. They just put you in debt and then like, all for what? So you could be like, I majored in philosophy at Fordham University.
Yeah. And so I could be like, I read Jane Eyre.
I'm like, yo, I did too, nigga. Online for free.
That's not the same. If you read books online, that does not count as reading.
Reading books.
As an English major, I say that. I stamp it. Shout out to Mount St. Vincent. You have your graduation when we're recording this, and people are mad because on the podcast I said I was going to do the graduation speech, and apparently no, they never reached out. So right now they're enjoying a speech by the director of the Bronx Zoo.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Enjoy that.
Yeah, yeah.
I could have been there cursing. I would ran on stage, lift a nun skirt, like, whoa,
let me tell you
this is wacky Jesus, yo.
Let me tell you something. You're never gonna make it.
I would have came with like the tie undone and the big oversized sunglasses and shit. Like, yo, nigga, yo.
I go to BCC and Hunter and do both.
BCC, the college, not the category. Wait, no, BCC. Oh, no.
Yeah.
BCC is like what? Enough. Big. See, this is when the podcast gets nasty.
Big Caucasian cock. That's oxymoron.
Whoa! Wow!
Oh,
wow! Now we're gonna get all these emails about. Actually,
I have a huge cock, man. Like mad dick pics in the DMs and shit. Like, no, I did not ask for this. Ryan Gosling.
That's right. If you have a big Caucasian cock, DM it to Mero on Instagram.
No.
That's the new Bodega Bucks.
That shit is going into my 99 plus like dark zone, nigga. Like I ain't even looking.
I want you to be like wild smacked. Just go do it one day. Be like, damn. All of a sudden I want Kabasa. Just be
get these niggas out of here.
Mad Franks and shit. Big Caucasian cocks. That sounds like the name of an all-white high school team.
Oh yeah.
That we get sent to the Midwest. We gotta teach them how to play basketball. Yeah. That's like the crowd's like big Caucasian cocks.
Big Go Cox. Go Cox. Yeah. We are the big cocks.
Mighty, mighty big cocks. Everyone got like a glass of milk and a rocket back and forth.
They all wanna know
everywhere we go
who we are. So we tell them this is Big Cocks, the mighty, mighty Big Cocks. It stops. He comes in and just says some wild problematic shit.
Very high. I don't want your cock.
I don't want your cock.
This is Friday Night Lights with more foreskin.
Yeah.
Woo.
God damn. Just injecting foreskin into everything.
Is that what I mean, that's foreskin just stem cells?
Skin, yeah. It could be. I think, low-key, I feel like foreskins is the cure for everything.
Foreskins or stem cells?
Both.
Both?
Yeah. Like, I feel like there's something inside foreskin that's like, you know what I'm saying, important scientifically. Like, if you remove foreskin and like...
If you cut off the foreskin of a baby and put it in a petri dish, after a week, a whole new baby grows.
Yeah.
It's like a starfish.
Exactly. So that's what I'm saying. So it's like, that's the beginning of life is the foreskin. So it's like, it makes sense.
Actually, like, as a conservative Christian, the beginning of life is conception.
Yes, that's right.
You know...
I too think that post-birth abortions are an abomination.
I feel you should only be allowed to get an abortion within 5 minutes of sex.
That's true. Even if you don't know if you're pregnant.
Oh.
You just go to Planned Parenthood like, yo,
just go in there,
I think.
You're in there like, yo, y'all got like a speed lane?
Yo, can y'all just vacuum my whole shit? Like,
wow. I was trying to dance around it like this. But you want to go straight through it. All right. Okay.
Yo, listen, I've been in that waiting room a couple of times. Yo, the worst is when you go to an AB with a shorty, there is no type of like, yo, it's like, yo, I got my tooth pulled. Like, yo, it's like, yo, we out here. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause yo, I went with a shorty and she was just like making it seem like, yo, this is this is wild. Like, yo, this is an emotional moment for me. And me as, you know, a caring boyfriend, I'm like, yo, like, I'm gonna go with you, I'm gonna hold your hand through this whole process. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, we teenagers, we can't be doing, you know what I'm saying? Like, ultimately it's your decision, it's your body, you know what I'm saying? I don't even want to have a say in this. You know what I'm saying? But then it's just like, she came out, she was like, yo, you want to get something to eat? I was like, is it, like, what is it like? Like, is it that, like, I've never had one, so I don't know.
Okay.
Like, what's it called? Outpatient? Where you just come in and you just bounce?
Yeah.
Like, yo, what up?
Out.
In and out. Literally.
I don't know what.
You're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
I
just kept going. I'm just like, in my head, I'm like.
I was like, where's the story going, brother? I thought you at least take it for ice cream or some shit.
Yo,
I at least got to give her the forehead kiss.
No, I did. I had to give her mad forehead kisses. And I held her hand when we were driving home. You know what I'm saying? Even though she was like, what are you doing, nigga? Like, I'm hungry. Like, take me to Chirpin' Chicken.
This nigga holding hands in a Honda CRX.
Yeah, like
on the dashboard.
Like, hold up, I gotta hit the clutch. Hold on.
Nigga drive mad slow because there's a speed bump.
I can't even hear what Shorty's saying because the pipes is so loud. Yo, so how you feeling? You okay? How you feeling? Are you okay? You okay? What? I can't.
You stop short. Shorty hits her head on the nitro. I remember my boy, shout out to Dale. He had to get rid of one because he couldn't afford the insurance on it anymore. So I bought it from him for like $500.
Oh, wow.
But it was stick shift. And I didn't know how to. And he was like, I could teach you in a weekend to learn stick shift.
Mm-hmm. No, that's not a weekend thing.
No, that's not.
That's not a weekend
I never
thing.
learned.
I learned in DR, and it was because it was DR. I was like, I'm not afraid of. I'm like, yo, I'll crash my uncle's old ass car into a tree. That's fine. I don't want to kill any humans,
right?
Or hit some like orthodontist fucking E-class and then fucking be paying out the nose for this shit, or like have mad high insurance. So I learned how to drive stick on a dirt road in the Dominican Republic in a buggy, a dune buggy.
Okay,
you know what I'm saying? A dune buggy.
Dune buggy.
You know what I'm saying? So if anybody out there got a dune buggy, I would like to buy one because I got money now and it's a sentimental thing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, you never rode a dune buggy?
I don't think I have.
They're pretty chill. And they're cool. They're fun on the beach.
I don't think you could drive one like on the street. I don't think that's street legal in America.
Well, yeah, in America. Because America's corny. They got mad laws and bullshit.
I mean, no, like it's probably bad for like the asphalt. Like it probably causes like potholes and shit. Like yeah, it seems like a very selfish vehicle, and also you're gonna look like the wild dickhead when you're stuck in traffic in the Lincoln Tunnel and shit. Yeah. If you don't have a roof and you breathing in all the exhaust and shit, like niggas, it's like trucks is passing you like.
Nigga, I done inhale worse. You know what I'm saying? Like, some car exhaust shit gonna take me out. I'm the type of nigga to try to kill myself with like the carbon monoxide shit and put
just get high off the shit.
And just get high and be like, wake up the next day like, yo.
Nigga just vaping. It's like,
son, that shit was wild, B. Yo, I saw like purple rabbits and shit. She was bugged out. I mean, they're trying to kill myself with a blunt. Like, yo, carbon monoxide with the butt. Like, nigga, this shit is lit.
The whole carbon monoxide, killing yourself that way, it seems like a lot of work.
It is.
Like, you gotta, what if you got a Tesla? What are you doing?
Oh, true.
How are you killing yourself out? You just gotta have the shit drive over you? The shit's programmed out to run over you. Yeah. And then also, if like you got a car garage and like your wife hears you start the car, like she's gonna come in within maybe a minute. Like there's not gonna be enough carbon. Now you just look weird. Yeah. Now you got the hose running through this. No. She's like, what the fuck are you doing?
I'm just trying to smoke weed different.
Are you trying to fucking kill yourself, Mero?
No.
You trying to leave me with these 4 kids?
No.
Where the fuck are you going?
No. I'm just smoking weed. Like but I don't have any blunt wraps. So this is how I'm doing.
You hotboxing?
I'm hotboxing the car.
Oh.
These joint papers burn mad fast. Wow, what you mean? Yo, chill. Life is too beautiful. I can't kill myself now, nigga. Like,
I mean, if you did, you just have to leave like the wild, weird note.
Yeah.
Like a note that just puzzles people forever. It's like so iconic. They take it and put it on t-shirts for future generations. And like, you don't understand me, man.
Yeah.
You know who got me? The kid Mero. And then they start looking through your old blog posts and they're like, they were so deep.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. The mind of a tortured genius.
Oh my God. The way he roasted. Look how artistically he roasted Shaq in his fur coat.
When he said, suck my dick from the back, he was actually telling us to suck the dick of socialism.
That's right.
And embrace it because the falling failure that is capitalism cannot maintain the masses.
It's not sustainable, brother.
I'm in Harvard talking out like the really small Ray J
mad
glasses.
Tiny glasses. Cornell West is like, word, preach.
Everyone's like, how did he grow dreads so fast? I got the bad fake clip-ons.
J. Cole's sick. Like, damn, it took me years, nigga. It took me years.
I'm like, yo, in honor of the kid Mero, I'm going to name this Coco Halado car after him. Have the memorial Coco Halado car on for the road and shit.
Fucking shit. You bring my uncle over, get my uncle a visa and shit. Have him like Coco, mango, cherry. You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Shout out to the Coco. It's almost Coco Mango Cherry time.
It is.
It is.
It is.
You know what I'm saying?
Even though the price of it has gone up, while the cup sizes has gone down.
That's right.
When you used to get like a full, you used to get like a Burger King fucking large cup of Coco Halado. Now they give you the fucking cup. They give you the dentist to rinse with.
Yes.
What am I supposed to do with that?
Fam. You know what it is? Back in the day, you would have so much of that shit that by the time you halfway done with it, it's just like Kool-Aid with like mad sugar.
Now there's nothing. Now you like, yo, and then they got to add to you be like, yo, how much? They be like, what do you mean? Like, no, there's no international price for Coco Halado. Like, stop it.
Like, fam, it used to be 50 cents.
Okay.
Like, what is it now?
You're lucky I'm eating this food that you are scraping with no gloves on. Okay.
When you still have your mechanic jumpsuit on, sir.
This car is dangerously close to the exhaust from the BX41, but I'm going to buy it anyway.
Yo. I just seen you pull a tissue out of there, sir, and use it and put it back.
But as New Yorkers, street food
is the best food.
It's the best food because
it cleans your system out. It's like a laxative.
It makes your immune system stronger.
It does.
Because, you know, you eating meat that's been just in a metal drawer for 4 hours before Poppy slapped it on that grill.
Yeah.
Listen, ain't no virus is going to bring you down.
The only way that fucking Aki fucking sanitizes that meat is by chopping it. Every 15 minutes.
Chopping it on the same grill that he spit on to see if it was hot. But, yo, like, virus get in your body, be like, yo, oh, shit.
Shit.
Oh, shit.
Who's this nigga?
All these niggas got guns? Oh, shit.
Oh, never mind.
They be like, yo, where the fuck you going?
Yo.
Yo, where you from?
Yo, fam.
Where you from? Who you stay with? What's up?
Yo, you halal, my nigga?
Niggas be gangbanging on viruses and shit. What's up? 80 block, nigga. What's up?
Shaking.
What set you from? Huh? He's like, nah, I'm polio.
Nah,
I want no smoke.
Nah, I'm Chipotle gang, nigga. We Chipotle gang. We neutral.
Yo, just point me to the butthole. I'm gonna let them shit me out, man. I want to shit.
I get on the dodge real fast. I don't want no problems, B. Not at all. I ain't snitching. I don't know what you niggas doing out here. It's all good. I see no guns. I'm good, baby.
Street meat is the opposite of anti-vaccination. Think about it.
Yo.
Also, there's going to be a terrorist attack where someone just like throws like a baby with measles into a crowd.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
It's going to be an adorable attack.
Yeah,
it's going to be a bad attack.
And baby's going to have a shitty diaper too.
Yeah, everyone's going to be like,
he's going to take it off and start swinging it around. Everybody's going to get measles.
Whose baby is that? And everyone's going to be like, oh, let's help the baby. Let's help the baby.
And he takes his diaper off. He's going
to be like, death to America, I have measles.
Almost. Yeah. I almost hit niggas with
the harder part of growth is leaving things behind. But yeah, that baby will fuck up some shit.
Yeah, what?
That baby has measles!
Oh my God!
Start running and shit.
Swinging it up and dookie going everywhere. You get pink eye and measles at the same time.
I got my mouth.
Yuck. Is that Gerber?
Like, stand down. They got wild guns drawn on the baby.
Yeah.
He's like, put your hands up. He's like, I don't really know my body parts yet.
I don't know.
You want me to touch my nose?
He's like, nose.
Put your hands in the air.
Nose.
Hands in the air.
Nose. Mouth.
How does he not know his body parts? But yeah, he was able to say death to America.
Death to America, nigga! Niggas start swinging the diaper again.
Niggas riddle the baby with bullets. Like right in front of Port Authority. I'm just like on Lively, like NYPD shoots baby full version. Wait. HD. You walk in the office, I'm like, hey. You're like, what are you watching? I'm like, oh, nothing.
NYPD would clap a baby. And then Giuliani be on fucking Fox News the next day like,
that baby was no angel.
That baby was overstayed his visa by 2 months. Rudy, the baby was...
that baby was a sex offender. Just yesterday, he had his mouth on some titties.
That's right. Okay? So understand that when you get all the facts first is what you need to do. Okay? I'm telling you, I saved New York City from 9/11. I know what I'm talking about.
Oh, Julia. How come? I'm really surprised he hasn't died yet.
I am surprised too.
Yeah.
Out of all the niggas that got mesothelioma, you didn't get mesothelioma, nigga?
It's weird. And then it's just like, why would I work out and take care of myself if like these guys is
they just
like
living
80 and 90
eating taco bowls.
Niggas
is 70 something. Like, yo,
eating McDonald's. How you got
fam? I got fam. Yo, my uncle was vegetarian, and the nigga died at like 70.
Yeah,
and never smoked, light drinker. You know what I'm saying? Meanwhile, fucking Donald Trump is over here on a plane, high altitude, eating ground beef
fishes and
with fillet of fish,
eating a well done steak with ketchup.
Like,
come on, man.
Fuck? Like, bro, he's doing shit that they used to do on the KFC menu back in the day.
Back in like the 70s.
Y'all niggas like cheese and bacon and chicken.
Like, yo, I get a free margarita to go while you driving. You're like, what the fuck?
You know what I'm saying?
Niggas just have like 3 Bombay martinis and then get back in his car with the baby with no seatbelt and shit, just holding it with his arm like, yo, watch out, baby, it's a bump.
Yo, bump is coming.
Niggas got the windows rolled up, just smoking OD. Pass a Marlboro. No, not even Marlboro. There's a special baby cigarettes. The baby's smoking itself like Virginia Slims minis.
Baby bogeys.
You come a long way, baby.
Organic baby bogeys from Honest.
My baby's cold. Pass me his asbestos blanket.
Yo, nah, man.
Victor, what was the name of that? It was a medicine they were giving pregnant women, and it was causing the babies to be born without limbs.
Tylenol.
Wow. This is the part of the podcast where I mentioned that we got a sponsorship opportunity from Tylenol yesterday.
No, I know what you're talking about. It was a failed version of birth control, I believe, and it was
See, that's why y'all niggas use a birth control. See,
okay, stop it.
It was condoms.
It was
condoms.
No, the whole thing was it was one of the things that made people realize that there's a mirror image of a same molecule could cause birth defects, and the proper version did what it was supposed to do.
knowledge, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
But it's escaping me.
Thylodine. I can't pronounce it.
Yeah, and they were giving out the L isomer, I believe.
Yeah,
of that instead.
Thylodimine.
Knowledge bomb, nigga. The L isomer. When's the last time you heard isomer out of college, nigga? First time. Where? Bodega Boys podcast. Suck my dick.
Yeah, they were giving it to treat insomnia, morning sickness, and depression.
Oh,
but then they found that around people taking it, they had 10,000 babies were born that either had shortened arms or legs or no limbs at all. And then they sued.
Oh, wow.
But it sucks if you got no arm, but you got mad money.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, no, like, you'll be fine. It's just, you'd probably want both.
Nigga, if I was mad rich and I had no arms, I would get the wild, like, Jacks from Mortal Kombat arms.
Oh, like the cyber shit?
Yeah, the cyber shit.
Yeah, but, like, what if it rains and stuff like that? Like, you got to worry about shit like that. If you're getting Jack's arms, not regular arms. Like,
yeah. Damn.
Yeah, you got to think about these things. But then also you could have niggas do, like, you could just have a person be your arms, be like, yo, lefty, get that.
Yo, righty, come jerk me off.
Mm-hmm. It's like, oh boy.
Again? Yeah, nigga.
You're just a jerk. I mean, you're really just stupid. I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just
this guy just calls me righty all the fucking time. Like,
my name is Matthew.
Shut up, righty. Come jerk me off again.
Come jerk me off.
Nigga be in the middle of jerking me off. I'm like, that's your job though. Yo, lefty, come feed me. You face stupid. That was a hot dog burp.
Wow.
I'm paying you though.
And
take the abuse.
You rich, you're Donald Trump. You eating hot dogs and you're rich. Just getting all those nitrates.
Yeah, man, nitrates just destroying my circulatory system.
When I think about how much hot dogs I used to eat back in the day, shot the real papaya that closed down.
Yes. Because you couldn't go in there and eat one hot dog.
No, you got to get the recession special. You got to get two. And you get that weird papaya drink that had like the bits of papaya, or the coconut drink that had bits of coconut. And you was like, I guess this is good, but now it's like in my teeth.
And also it's not really coconut. It's just like a blended up straw. And
then people was like begging for money. And I was like, how much money? I was like, fam, the shit's like $2.50.
Fam, I bought all this entire meal with change that I had in my back pocket by accident.
You gonna stand there while I eat this hot dog? Because I'm going to eat the hot dog. Like
in front of you.
Like, this is uncomfortable to you.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, because at the end of this interaction, my stomach is going to be full.
You feel me? So I'm going to go right there to the counter. I'm going to get the fucking ketchup bottle that's half ketchup and half water. I'm going to put that shit on my hot dog, and you're going to watch.
I remember I asked them, I was like, yo, do you want hot papayas? And they was like, no. And I was like, you in here begging for money, but you're not going to eat the papayas? Like, I feel like now you're judging me. How dare you? Where you going with this?
That's like crackheads get mad when you give them food instead of money.
Yeah.
Kind of in a roundabout way.
I've seen that, yeah.
Like, yo,
but I mean, it depends, because if it's just like a hamburger, you already took a bite in it.
But I'm like talking about like, I'm sitting in the car, got a banana in the console, got some graham crackers. And hey, you run around with kids, you got snacks in the car.
Yeah.
Fruit chews, granola bars, shit like that.
Yeah.
For my man, if I give you a whole crispy banana with the sticker on it, the shit isn't even bruised, and a motherfucking Nature Valley oat and honey granola bar, and you look at me sideways,
I'll be like,
fuck you, man.
I'll be like, this nigga's racist.
You know what I'm saying?
This nigga called me a monkey. I'm just standing there with the banana looking at you like,
oh, word?
Oh, wow. I'm a person. Throw the banana at your car and shit.
I'll be like, oh, shit.
Just start stomping up and down.
Yo, it'd be a white nigga too. I'm like, yo, I'm like, how's that racist? Explain to me how that's racist, Ryan. He's like, because you gave me granola bar. All white people don't eat granola.
Fuck you.
I'm like, fuck
you, buddy.
That's a lie, Ryan. All y'all niggas eat granola.
Also, that's like crafty services food. You gotta get some with a real meal.
Yeah, that's
you gotta pull up with the filet mignon on the platter, like, yo.
Yeah, now you can't just drive by doing 40 miles an hour, throw mad kind bars at a nigga.
What you do next time you come through and give them the wild hot play of sizzling fajitas? Like, it's hot. He's like,
thank you.
That's yours now. Gotta go.
Peace, nigga.
They get mad grease burning his chest.
He's like, well, what about the tortilla? Figure it out, nigga.
It's the platters with mad peppers and meat.
Yo, use your old bed sheets. They're 100% cotton, nigga. They're definitely digestible.
Oh, man. Jeez.
Listen.
Nah, I mean, yeah, but I think people probably just had bad experiences with people giving them food, and also like there's sick people who probably try to poison food.
Oh,
for shits and giggles and give it to them. Also, you know,
I always wondered like, who are you? Who are these people? Like the people that scared the shit out of us when we were kids, and it was like, yo, they put razor blades in apples. Yo, they put pins in candy.
But people do that.
Yeah, and I'm like, who are you? Like,
people do. I mean, people do sick sad world shit all the time.
Like what? And so like. To me, if you put a razor blade in an apple, unless you buy like a Costco sized box of razor blades, you're basically throwing a message in a bottle into the ocean. You know what I'm saying? Like, who's gonna get this apple? You're not really sure. Are they even gonna eat it?
But you know they're out there.
You know what I'm saying?
It's not about seeing the destruction. It's just that you know you did it. It's like people who destroy train tracks. And there's no train coming anytime soon. But when the train comes over that damaged part of the rail and like derails, like that person's like, I did that. And even if they don't hear about it, they know.
Oh my god, that's fucking
not that I've ever. If you ever heard about a train derailment in Ottawa, I had nothing to do with that.
It's showtime.
Yeah, fam, no. Like, but that's the thing. I'm like, okay, so do you do that and then you just sit in front of News 12 and wait for it to pop up?
No, you just go about your life.
Okay.
But in the back of your head, you've known to do that.
If you see it on the news, you're like, yeah.
Then there's some fulfillment, but I mean, perhaps not. Perhaps it was never about doing it. Perhaps it was just about the rush of doing it. The rush. And it's not even about that you caused this damage, but now you got people like you. Yeah, now you're out here paranoid. And you're like, who would do this?
Oh no!
Why would someone do some shit like that?
I was never paranoid because I'm like, nigga, you give my kids fruit for Halloween? Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, first of all, that's a. If you give people toothbrushes, books, or apples or pennies, woo,
get the fuck out! Like I get mad when niggas give me the little Halloween pretzel bags. I'm like, fuck you, nigga. Yeah. Like I'm gonna end up eating these when they're stale. And I'm high, and there's like a jug of frosting over there, and I'm just gonna start dipping them in like Nutella and frosting and shit. Like my kids.
Do you have any Halloween candy left over yet? It's all gone, right?
Nah, it's just big gone.
Okay.
Only the Midnight Milky Way minis are left because they're gross. I hate them.
Oh yeah, you hate dark chocolate because you're anti-black.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Oh man, dark chocolate's the best chocolate, bro.
I like dark chocolate in certain instances. Like for example, I got these like almond wafer things with dark chocolate in the middle, and they're banging. Milano cookies. The Pepperidge Farm joints, dark chocolate, fire.
Listen, shout out to Pepperidge Farm.
You know what I'm saying?
Pepperidge Farm. He says, listen, we'll give you some regular ass cookies. We're going to put them in a weird paper bag and charge you a lot more for them.
Way more money for them.
Also, they're going to have names that kind of sound like slurs.
Yeah. But hey, you fucking Sausalito.
Look at this fucking Milano over here. Hey, pick a side.
Hey, Chesapeake. Come over here.
They always have them at my bodega, and they're just like, oh, they're fresh. And I was like, are they?
Really?
I don't think they are, but it turns out they are fresh. Yeah. Like they replace them pretty regularly.
Yeah.
But I was just like, I'm not here buying these like in a sound mind at like
nobody
before 10 p.m. I'm buying these at 4 a.m. with a can of Pringles and a bag of Cool Ranch Doritos and a honey bun and a pack of Cherry Clan and some lemonade and some Sour Powers. And oh shit, what are those? Water is out. Sweetwater taffy? Yeah, let me get that too. And the pork rinds. And you know what? Let me get a Tylenol PM because I might not be able to sleep. And let me get a... Oh, shit. Y'all got Maltas? Yeah, one of those too.
Fuck it.
Just taking up mad space on the bodega shit. Other people are trying to check out, and I'm still waiting for the chopped cheese, and I'm just adding more shit.
Yo, let me get... And niggas counting out the now and later. It's like 1, 2... You say you want 40, right? 3, 4, 5, 6...
Poppy takes a look at all of it and tries to do it in his head, and it's like, I gotta use a calculator. It's like, 1, 2...
Hey, that's $12.
And he rings it up on a register that never shows you the amount.
No.
So he rings it up. He's like, $43.84. I'm like, how did you get there?
Where the 84?
Show the work. Show the work.
Where the 84 come from? I thought everything in here was like 50 cents.
He's taxed.
Oh,
there's always stuff that doesn't make sense at the bodega. When you do the math of purchasing it, it's just like. Wait.
Okay.
So I could get 3 of these for $5, but one is $6. He's like, yeah. I'm like,
that doesn't make any sense. He's like, I'm trying to get rid of this shit, nigga. That's what it means.
Buy more.
Buy more.
I was like,
Get diabetes.
I was like, Poppy, I got a question. I know, like, you're not from this country, but there's a phrase I don't understand in this packaging. It says not for individual resale. What is that?
Oh, that's what happened when I go to BJ. Because they have the wholesale club. I go to BJ and I get the big boss of the candy. And it say no for resale, but you know me, I let my nose hang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? So I don't give a fuck. So yeah, the new Aventura is out. So I don't give a fuck, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I'm out here wilding.
I got the mad wire for the consumer affairs. They're like, yo.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
You're bragging about this shit. He's like, yo, I'm going to BJ's today. I was like, oh, can we come with you?
Oh, what? Yeah.
They got Shame on You from Channel 2.
They got the weird sunglasses on with the camera in them and shit. Like, yo, why you wearing sunglasses, nigga? When inside, you
I got my pupils dilated.
Yeah. I just got an eye exam done. I have to wear these indoors with light. Sir. Nigga's like, hey, you a snitch, motherfucker? Huh? Then P.O. comes and takes his knees out with a crowbar.
Could he? Do you think he could probably whack a crowbar?
Absolutely,
yeah.
Hell yeah. Yo, there's a picture of him playing baseball in DR when he was like 15, and he's the same size.
I mean, everyone in DR plays baseball.
That's true.
So.
That's true. Yeah.
Whole island is
just niggas playing baseball like right now.
Yeah,
they in Congress right now playing baseball.
Strike 3.
Niggas is filibustering in the 7th inning.
He's got a bag of rosin by the fucking the desk and shit.
The gentleman from second base have 5 minutes. You may proceed.
He's gonna run around the bases before they can get access to the mic.
Yo, shout out to the World Baseball Classic coming in it's 2019, 6 years.
You know, you're just a jerk.
Yeah, Mike.
Really
Yeah, Mike.
I mean, it's not even clever or funny or anything. It's just dumb.
Yeah, Mike was mad about the World Baseball Classic because he's like, oh fuck,
because he's like, it's stupid.
Yeah, he's like,
who you rooting for? You rooting for America?
Yeah. What are you doing? What? Huh? So half these guys come back and they play in fucking America anyway.
He was pissed about it. It was like unreasonable. Like, let it go, Mike.
Yeah, because he was watching that DR USA game when the USA was up like 5-0 and they got spanked, and he was just like, fucking goddamn Spanish speaking niggas. I can't stand them. Wait till I get on the air tomorrow.
Whoa. So the Rays are in first place right now. Wow.
Yeah.
They got 10 wins.
Bizarro world.
And you know who's in last place in the American League East? In the basement? Well,
it's also the Orioles.
No. The Blue Jays and the Red Sox are tied for last place.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, no wonder there hasn't been so much Red Sox chatter.
The Red Sox are 4-9, and there's some sort of stat that no team that has gone 4-9 has ever made the playoffs or some shit like that.
Oh, shit. There you go.
Some very low chance, like their probability is some shit like less than 7 or some shit like that.
Can't wait.
But you know the Red Sox are a scrappy dude, play the game the right way, carry lunch pails to work, first one's in the Fenway, last one out when they move the car out the garage.
Yeah,
and then if they come back, it's gonna be like the fucking comeback story of the generation, and Matt Damon's there.
Blah, blah, blah.
This is our fucking city, and it's gonna do it on Patriots Day.
Yeah. Oh, we're not racist. We have Mookie Betts and like 2 Dominican guys.
And they're gonna have like somebody who will survive like the Boston bombing, throw out the first pitch, and there's gonna be a whole and they're gonna have like fucking Wade Boggs and like people crying and shit.
Niggas said Wade Boggs. What they shouldn't even have. They don't deserve Wade Boggs. Wade Boggs is our dude. He rode the fucking horse around Yankee Stadium after the World Series. Like, yo, that's iconic. That nigga pitched like fucking. He pitched in the playoffs. Did he pitch in the playoffs?
He did.
Yeah.
I mean,
that's fuck out of here.
But I think
y'all can have Roger Clemens.
You know what it said? Think about it like this. Look at it this way. Boston has Wade Boggs because Boston has had more shit to celebrate lately. It's not the Yankees aren't invited him. It was like what you invited him. Like, hey, let's celebrate this first round loss that we're gonna do in the playoffs.
Hey, I mean, like, to be honest, half the team is injured right now.
No, but yeah,
we're still not in last place.
When the Yankees win it, we're gonna have all the old timers out there. We have Mariano, Jeter. It's gonna be on that flow. It's gonna be me, you, CC. Like, Aaron Judge is gonna be out there.
Man, I'm not wearing a shirt.
It's gonna be like 20 degrees. We're gonna be shirtless and shit. I'm gonna have a big novelty blunt. Like, I'm actually gonna be dressed like the Statue of Liberty in garters, like, but sexy. Just gonna have the mustache and shit. I'm gonna be throwing beads into the crowd. They're gonna be like, "Wrong fucking parade, you
fucking Mama Luke. I'm not showing you my tits.
Still 27 rings, bro.
Yo, respect, bro. Love you, bro."
Niggas just throwing full bottles of beer at us.
It don't even matter because they're Coors.
Yeah. Just dodging them like the Matrix, huh?
Like, yo, fuck out of here, nigga. Stop throwing water at me. Stop throwing carbonated water in my fucking face, B. What the fuck's wrong with you?
Is Coors the one with fructose syrup?
Yeah, I think it is.
Wow. Google ain't playing. Google was like, let me finish that Google for you. I put in Coors. They were like, high fructose corn syrup. Yeah, Bud Light shames Miller and Coors for using corn syrup in their Super Bowl ad.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Corn syrup is like the new scapegoat, be like immigrants. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, let's blame everything on corn syrup. Like, corn syrup
it's in a lot of stuff it doesn't need to be.
It does not need to be. Yeah.
It's in almost everything. Not just food. It's in like plastics. It's in like
Like,
man,
why?
Wires and shit.
It's because Americans make too much fucking corn, and nobody wants corn.
Here you go.
Nobody outside the United States wants corn.
Preach.
So we can't export the shit
Preach.
because everybody knows the shit is garbage. You niggas are spending millions of dollars. Shout out to Monsanto, taking up mad land, polluting mad shit just to make mad corn. Niggas don't even want it. Except when I'm high at 3 a.m. and I'm trying to smash some cornflakes with like chocolate syrup on top.
Or popcorn or like a good corn chowder. Then you'd be like,
yeah,
all right,
yeah,
all right.
yeah.
But even that, you don't need
that much corn.
We just need to pick one state to make corn and the rest of y'all niggas stop it.
Yo, Nebraska. That's on
Nebraska, you make corn now.
You make corn now. That's it.
You know
y'all
what? Maybe
niggas stop.
You ever think maybe there's too many states?
I absolutely
Some of the states ain't bringing the heat.
They not.
What was the last time Montana did some pop?
I was about to say that. I was like, yo, what is Montana doing right now?
We need to have American Idol, but for statehood.
True.
You got to come through and prove why it should be a state.
Or like the Bachelor type shit. Like, yo, you get a rose and you get to stay in the union.
New York City, DC, and Puerto Rico can all appeal and try to become their own states. Because there's no reason they need to make West New York and real New York, okay? And all those upstate shit.
Yeah,
all you
like,
people,
yeah.
all you sit. Listen, I love you upstate, but if you at one time had a Kodak plant and 90% of the population worked there, y'all are West New York. I don't care if y'all above us.
Listen, if your entire economy revolves around the college or
a prison
or a very, 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 very big Walmart, then I don't know.
So New York starts at the boundary of New York is, do you want to put, we want Mount Vernon or New Rochelle, or should we just stop it at 241st Street?
I feel like the last stop on the LIRR is fine.
Whoa. Oh, whoa. Yeah, Long Island's part of it, no doubt. I'm talking about how far north.
Out of like New York, what is it? Not Bronx County.
The Bronx, the Bronx is at top. Is the northernmost. I think we stop at Riverdale 241st.
Yeah.
No, above that, sorry.
Yeah.
But is that fair to make Mount Vernon and Yonkers and New Rochelle part of?
Yeah, they still hood.
They still hood. They still okay. They're still part.
Yeah.
All right,
y'all get to live.
We go all the way up to Harrington.
Let's do. You know what? Let's do Pelham Manor.
Yeah.
Just for the niggas that get the glow up and they want to buy a big house.
Okay, what about the what was the apple maskers, the apple picking place?
Yes,
we keep that. West New York can't have that.
Yeah,
because we're the Puerto Ricans and we're the blacks going to pick apples.
It's like you know how Alaska's like part of the U.S., but it's like all the way up here.
It's annexed. Yeah. Okay. All right. We got that. that. All right. I like this coming together. Okay.
Yeah. We should be in charge of fucking. What is it? HUD? Does HUD control that?
Who does maps?
Yeah.
Is there someone who does? When was the last time someone made a new map?
I guarantee you, if you asked Donald Trump, he would have the same reaction that we're having right now.
Yeah, he would.
Like, yo, who's in charge of maps and like boundaries and shit? Like,
he's like,
I mean, the map nigga. I don't know.
That Ben Barson guy.
Is it? Yeah, that's him. Do you know how to make maps? No, I'm a neurosurgeon, nigga. Are you fucking stupid?
You know what? The first nigga that made a map the first person who made a map was probably annoying as shit.
Of course.
I was like, yo, what are you doing?
I'm making a map.
The fuck is a map?
It's like it shows where we at in relation to the rest of like our surroundings.
The fuck would I need that for? How do you what?
So like boom, like let's say you in the forest, you hunting a bear, right? And you kill the nigga, but you following him for mad long, right? And then you like, oh shit, how the fuck do I get back to my crib? Boom, I got the map for you. You shot the bear over here. Your crib is over here, and then you just follow the map. Like boom, I'll just they make a left.
Just hear in the back. He's a witch. This nigga just shoots you 3 times. Shoot you in the back 3 times with arrows. Like,
like oh shit. Oh.
Heretic. He was trying to read. He's trying to steal my soul by blinking. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna dance nonsensically for 15 hours until I die.
Yeah. Son, yeah, niggas were dead ass. That was wild. Like back in the day, like it was like, this nigga's too smart. He's a witch.
Yeah, it was like when you go to jail, you gotta dump shit down.
Facts.
You gotta be like, yo, you can't, he's violating my First Amendment law because of Miranda versus State of the United States.
The fuck you a lawyer, nigga? You a cop?
Nah.
You sound like a cop, nigga. That sound like some cop shit.
Nah, I watched NYPD.
Nah. I heard that shit before. There was a cop nigga here before that said the same shit. Got the same type of plea, nigga. You a cop?
No. I just watch a lot of Law and Order.
Oh, word?
Doink doink.
I don't know what the fuck you talking about. I've been locked up since 1981.
Well, it started running in. Yeah, you've been locked up. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Hill Street Blues.
Oh, that's my shit. That was my shit.
That was
my shit.
It doesn't come out no more.
Word?
Yeah, they canceled it. Niggas get mad, just stabbing niggas.
Fuck that. Nigga take the CO gun. Start clapping everybody. Yo, my God, no.
Should we reboot Hill Street Blues? I don't even know what it was about. Just put us on a cop show. I think that there's such a sweet irony of the idea that we've grown up so far that we play cops. We're the new IT.
Yes.
I want the cop to arrest me to like be flipping through the TV one day and be like, what the?
I feel like,
are you fucking kidding me?
I feel like there's so many people that don't feel the delicious irony of Ice-T having a song literally called Cop Killer.
That's true.
You know what I'm saying? On a classic album with a shorty with a slingshot bathing suit and a shotgun. And now he plays Detective Finn Tutuola from Narcotics.
Finn Tutuola. Cop Killer was a...
This next record is dedicated to some personal wrong color, whatever they thought was the reason to do.
Cop Killer!
Oh yeah, it was also like a rock song.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, you're not hearing this at Down the Hatch.
You could trick niggas at Down the Hatch into listening to this shit.
This shit's been too long. I got my 12-gauge sawed off. I got my headlights turned on. I'm out to bust some shots off.
Shit kind of slaps.
Yeah, man.
Did he just bite the Ramones whole style?
He did.
I mean,
the cadence. Yeah.
No, we didn't have the internet back then, so nobody could.
This shit should have been in Rock Band.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
I got 100 on Cop Killer.
Yeah. Something tells me the makers of Rock Band don't want to put Cop Killer on the back as a list of songs included.
Yo, and he got a letter from the FBI for that song.
Yep.
A letter.
I remember the
early 90s.
I remember they were protesting. Mad cops were protesting.
Terrifying. Yeah.
But to be fair, cops protest a lot of shit.
Oh, yeah.
But when do they have time to do cop shit?
Fam.
And it's never like one cop protest. It's like a whole precinct. Yeah, get him, Johnny. Yeah. Then blue line.
Yeah, that's right, pal.
Remember when the cops, it's not funny about the cop. There was a cop's funeral or some shit, and de Blasio was talking. They all turned their backs.
Yeah,
you showed him.
Yeah, you sure showed him.
Wow, he never recovered from that.
Wow, he got impeached. I think right after that.
Hey, Vinny, turn your back to this POS. Yeah. Tired of his crap. Tired of his liberal garbage.
Yeah.
See, y'all mad at de Blasio for the wrong shit. Be mad at him for pizza and being a Red Sox fan.
Right, come on.
He isn't in that Mero. He hasn't done anything cool. But then people say that, and I'm just like, well, who was the last cool mayor?
Dinkins
was not a cool mayor.
He was just black.
When there was like the Crown Heights riot, he was playing like tennis and shit.
Yeah, that's cool, nigga. Like he's like, I don't give a fuck about y'all niggas. I'm the mayor, nigga. I'm rich.
Like a part of Brooklyn was like burning down. Like perhaps do something.
He's like, nigga, I don't live there. He's like, I'm playing tennis with Arthur Ashe, nigga.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I said playing tennis, bro. That was not a euphemism for anything else. All right, relax.
Shut up, nigga, shut up.
Oh, Mero, what are we gonna do? How do you solve a problem like Mero? You have to get Andrea Kendrick to show you how to be polite in civil society.
When she had that fucking musical theater reference, I was like, what the fuck is this bitch talking about?
New York is a hell of a town. The battery's down, and the Bronx is up, and the battery's down, some shit like that.
What musical is that?
I don't know. Let's try to use the context clues. New York.
It's the musical's called New York,
isn't it?
Nah, but props for Anna. She was just like, "Cause I'm that bitch."
Yeah, she's like, "Yeah, cause I'm that bitch." I was like, "Oh, nonchalantly." Is it? It can't be. I was gonna be. Is it Chicago?
It's from a song called New York, It's by Leonard Bernstein, who was like Nas with like Broadway songs.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And it's from On the Town.
Oh, okay.
The song takes place near the opening of the Broadway musical On the Town as our three main characters come ashore in anticipation of their day of leave in New York City. It's not to be confused with the John Kander song New York, New York, which is closely associated with Frank Sinatra. And they get off the thing, they're like, New York, New York is a hell of a town.
Oh.
It's like when people get Southwest flights, they're like, whoa.
Whoa, we landed in real life.
They're like, look at that building. 1, 2, 3 stories. Whoa.
Whoa, bro.
Oh, New York, New York is a hell of a town. The Bronx is up, but the battery's down. You gotta turn that into a rap song like New York, New York.
It's a hell of a town.
Yo, the Bronx is up
and the battery's down.
That's right.
The Glocks is up, nigga.
You know
Rah,
what it
rah,
is?
rah.
Hybrid, flybrid,
You know what I'm saying?
sex, money, murder, free Pistol Pete, nigga. White genocide crossover. Whoa. Still need that white genocide Grind Boys crossover.
Yo.
Streets ain't ready for that.
That should make a nigga ears bleed.
That's a whole new. What's that? That's like
Call it man's not loyal.
Ooh.
Yeah, man's not loyalty. Man's not loyalty. Brotherhood, loyalty, AT, brotherhood, loyalty, MIT, I mean T, actual T, nigga. He's just vomit on the mic. That's what all that shit sounds like, is a nigga throwing up on a microphone.
That'd be really cool if, like, every concert, like, they just vomit on the front row and people know it and just, like, wait for it.
I'm like, oh, shit. Like a Gallagher show, niggas just pull up with the ponchos on and shit. Like, yo, I'm about to get Earl on.
We should start doing that at our live show. What can we start doing? I mean,
we should start doing that. Remember that band that they always dressed up like weird monsters? Guar.
And then they bring people on stage and like swallow them inside their weird costumes.
Yeah.
Do I start doing that?
Start doing that at live shows. Yeah.
Okay.
Like just bring out a wild giant ass.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And just put niggas in the asshole.
Even better, we come out like Howard Stern when he did Ass Man.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Actually, no, our next live show, Victor, write this down. We're going Katy Perry style props. So I want like 12-foot tall dancing gingerbread men doing a Millie Rock in the back.
When she did that Super Bowl performance, look that shit up. She had like that like 12-story like Prism lion. We can freak that. Listen, we can do like the 12-story like Prism Bodega cat.
I just want to during a live show to be like, yo,
right now.
Yo, I'm sorry. Stop the music. Stop the music. I'm sorry, but we have a 50-foot chopped cheese sandwich that it actually levitates, and we go on top of it, and it's not working right now. The hydraulics weren't put together properly.
We need a second. We need a second, y'all.
Just give us a second. We're working through. Sorry for the technical difficulties.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was a mistake. I was supposed to have the sandwich. I apologize.
Oh, sorry. Just hold. And then mad sonic ring fall from the roof. I'm like, that wasn't supposed to happen yet.
Oh, man.
Oh, shit.
Fuck.
Could you turn off the sound effect? We're pausing. Please stop the special effects.
Stop. Yo, please stop. Y'all are just randomly touching the sound. Who's doing that?
They don't hear properly, so then they do like, there's like a scene at the end where it's supposed to be like we're in snow, but it's actually adobo. Now it's like full. I'm like, it's not time for the adobo snowflakes. This is for the end when Mero's parents come to the country for the flash.
Niggas just fuck up the whole shit.
Mad goats and the whole. Oh shit. Victor, everybody, please grab a goat and bring them back to the pen. They're not supposed to come out to the second act.
Yo, fuck. Yo, where's Victoria, yo?
No.
Oh, she's in the green room on mad fentanyl. Damn, dog. Fuck.
Fenty Beauty.
Oh, shit. Oh, man. Little fentanyl. I love how people refer to fentanyl like that shit is like sweet tea or some shit. Some shit you could just add like a flavor enhancer. Yo, my secret is I add a dab of fentanyl to my pancakes.
A dash of fentanyl.
You know what I'm saying? A dash should do you.
It's like Lori's. They got fentanyl flavor.
It's like Rachel Ray with her EVO or whatever.
She's like, I got some EVO, a little fentanyl, and some cardamom.
All right, it's delicious.
Now let it simmer for 20 minutes and come back. Let's check it out.
And China just is not illegal to make fentanyl in China.
It's not illegal to make anything in China.
True.
Let's just start with that.
They be building bridges in China and shit. That shit be sounding like fucking rappers chains and shit. I'm like, is this bridge hollow? They're like, oh, gotta go.
Sorry. Nigga, they build fucking structures out of connects in China. And then put planes and trains on them shits.
They had a case where there was a building and the people, I guess they skimped on the cement. So some of the, what should have been cement was stuffed with newspaper.
Oh my God.
Because they don't have regulations and shit. Like, I mean, I'd feel bad if people died, but you know, if I could get away with shit, I'd get away.
I mean, like, if you're the prime minister of China? What's his?
I think you're just the president.
The president.
yeah.
He's the president of China. If you're the president of China, it's like, nigga, it's like 20 billion of y'all. Like, we could lose 100,000. Like, it's all good, baby.
Wow. Is that your motto? So
It's all good, baby.
That's the motto, nigga. YOLO.
But he's president for life.
You know what I'm saying? He don't give a fuck.
Maybe that's the thing. He's like the subway. Ain't no competition.
That nigga just watching the population meter and shit. He's
like,
watching,
shit.
200,000 niggas died in the mall collapse?
Okay.
Hey.
Damn.
More money for me, nigga.
Damn.
Oh, y'all want to use the internet and watch Pino?
Nope.
Shut up, my nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the
See, Trump's
chance.
gonna do that and just let them start using whatever building materials.
Oh,
they
of
want.
course. You already know. He's
Gonna
like,
make a-
this is an amazing hotel. It's a boutique hotel. It's made entirely out of popsicle sticks. It's beautiful. It's
like-
art.
I'm like, this whole thing is sticky.
It's because I ate all the popsicles myself.
Oh man.
I put them all in my mouth. I ate a popsicle in one bite.
When's the last time you had a popsicle? Well, you got kids. So,
I'm eating leftover, like kid food. I'm eating leftovers all the time.
Okay.
Like half a popsicle, like half a donut, the remnants of a pancake. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just a savage. Like,
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do.
you know what I'm saying? Also, I feel guilty throwing out food. Like, if my kid eats half a pancake and there's half a pancake on a plate, I'm not gonna throw it in the garbage.
You know what I don't understand? Like, I remember growing up, anytime like we had dinner, my mother would scrape all the food that we did not eat into a bowl and give it to our dog. I don't understand how that dog didn't die.
Yeah.
Like, he's just eating like raisins, and
Yeah.
onions. And my father, I was hanging with him. He was like, no, it's because American dogs now are wimpy, but back in the day, like, dogs could eat onions and they'll be fine.
Wow.
I don't know how scientific that is.
Wow. You know what? I'm not even gonna hold you. My father had said the same things to me verbatim. Like,
Just a German Shepherd with a Jerry curl eating an onion like an apple. And
Fam.
he's like,
dog, I'm in the
what's cracking, young blood?
I'm in the I'm sitting on La Galeria, you know what I'm saying, which is like the enclosed terrace, so that, when there's like riots and shit, like niggas don't come in your crib and like, violate and destroy your whole everything. You know what I'm saying? And there was a fucking dog like licking the inside of a tin can and then just like chewing it. And I was just like, I told my pops, I was like, yo, that nigga's gonna eat the tin can and die. He's like, bueno. It happened. They eat it. They can. That's it. That's what they eat.
Oh my god!
They don't get food. You're gonna feed him. You're gonna give him your food. You give him your food, then that's food that you're supposed to eat that you're not eating. So you're gonna give your food to the fucking dog?
Their dogs be different. When I was in Antigua, there was a dog and his collar and leash were barbed wire, and he was chilling.
Niggas just macking.
He was like, "Yo, I got a leash."
Like, I'm good.
He was like, "You seen Barrington up the road? He don't even got a third leg."
Yo,
like, be happy for what you got.
Fam,
Don't block your blessings.
I seen a dog get hit by a car and they just keep it moving. Like,
dog apologized to the car, like, "Oh, my fault.
Yo, my fault, my nigga, but yo, I'm gonna keep it. I got you."
Yeah, they get hit. They make an arf and just keep walking.
Boof!
Yeah.
Like, nigga just roll, boof! Nigga just roll over. Nigga do a barrel roll and get up and keep it moving. Like, and look at you like, yo, damn, nigga.
They don't even, like, American dogs be like, they have for sympathy.
Nah.
The DR dog be like, yo, let me get out of here.
They're like, boof!
That was my fault.
Boof! Oh shit! Oh goddamn, nigga, damn. Shit, nigga. Yo, the light was fucking green. Oh, it was green. My fault.
Dogs in third world countries, when they get hit, they react like dope heads coming out of the nod.
Like, yo. Oh,
like,
shit. Oh, my fault.
Oh,
yo,
that's where I'm
shit.
at?
Oh, damn. All right, let me go eat these chicken bones.
It's getting warm. Gonna be a lot more not
Chicken bones on the ground for the dogs to eat.
true. A lot more chicken bones. A lot more chicken bones. A lot more dope fiends nodding.
Yes.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You don't have that in the cul-de-sac.
You know what it is?
You know what? I'd be worried. But no, like in Jersey, it's like people nodding out with needles and shit.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the thing. So since I'm Patterson, I'm like really, like literally, like essentially in Patterson. The white people from the white people side of town go over to Patterson and cop dope because they can't get Oxycontin. So then they go back to get their dog food, and then they come back to the white people side of town, and they post up in the volunteer firefighter parking lot, which is always empty, and it'll be like 4, 5, 6 cars deep in there, and they are all in there nodding. Like, and I'm just like, yo, like, niggas call the police when I'm doing 45 and a 40 on the main Ave, but like
different colors got different drugs, got different laws.
I'm like, fam. I'm like, yo, these, like, do you see Tyler and Hunter in there, nigga? Like, them niggas is like drilling on each other. Like, The car's not even in. This shit is in neutral. Nigga, this shit is rolling across the parking lot.
Oh man, I was walking Mac and we were going through like a desolate Bronx block, but I'm like, I'm good money, whatever. I don't give a shit. And we passed like it's one of those blocks that when you're walking there, you're like, I have no business being here, but anyone else down here has no business being here. Especially a parked car. You know, if it's a parked car, someone getting a wild whoppy or getting right. Yeah. And I guess I startled the niggas in there. And niggas was like fumbling with the needle, and I was like, "Yo." Me and Mac took off. I was like, "Nah, I don't know no smoke."
I'm good. Don't jump out and try to stab me with that shit, nigga. Scare the shit out of me until I can get to a doctor.
I guess they were parked there, just like getting right on the highway. I mean, shout to that. It was like 3 o'clock.
Shout out to the Bronx because like in the Bronx, if you have a car, that's basically like it's a small apartment. Yeah. It is. Fam, I was out doing graffiti like 3 in the morning with Tay. Shout out to my nigga Tays. And we're like, we pull over on a spot and it's looking sweet, but there's just this one Audi parked with the lights on. And I'm like, yo, is this a DT? Like, whatever. So I was just like, yo, I'm gonna just smoke my little cigarette on the way past the cop car, or what I assume is the cop car. Fam, I walk past and there's a nigga in there smashing cheeks on Westchester Avenue, fam.
Cheeks like that.
Like, yo, smashing cheeks, bro, with the interior lights on and everything. I was just like, yo, my man. And then I'm like, yo, T. And then he comes back, he's like, yo, Wiz, this nigga really in there clap-tizing shorty cheeks, my nigga. That shit is crazy, nigga. Yo, wow, son. So then we did our thing. You know what I'm saying? Doing graffiti. I mean, like, yo, if you're a cop, and you roll up and you see somebody doing graffiti versus somebody smashing in a car, whose balls are you gonna bust first?
Graffiti.
Yeah.
You get hate?
What the fuck?
Like it's
if you're a cop, you're thinking like regular niggas. Think like a cop.
Graffiti. That's the easy.
Think like a cop.
What exactly is the charge? It's not illegal to have sex in a car.
It's public. What is it? Public
indecency.
Yeah, public.
It depends where you're at. Like you can get it. Like
whatever.
the cop ain't trying to like fill out that ticket, but a graffiti ticket, that's the easy. There's a code for it and shit. That's the easy desk for it. So you're not thinking like a cop. Cops ain't about yo. I'm here to protect and serve. It's like five generations in the.
No, I was thinking like cops.
The cop is like, how can I reach my fucking quota and do the least amount of work? Okay, I don't have to show up in court for a graffiti ticket. I got to show up in court for a public indecency shit. Come on, man. Think smarter, man. That's why when you get arrested for peeing, they don't charge you. They don't be like, yo, you get in public, you can get charged with like a sex offender.
Yourself, yeah.
Like it's only if you're a dickhead. Like they're like here.
What if you pee with a wallet?
Also, you get caught peeing, you got sloppy. That means you was peeing facing the street or some shit on like 42nd Street.
Yeah, you were wilding.
Like you gotta go low key and shit. Pee in a club. Go pee in a phone booth. Automatically in 2019, if someone is in a phone booth, they're doing something illegal. You know that.
Yeah, they're jerking off. They're peeing.
They're getting right.
Yeah, something.
They're looking at Pinot. They shouldn't be looking at
something. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Tito for peeing in the street and peeing on his shoes by accident. Ooh. And then the cops come in, and my brother, and the cops came and were like, "Yo." To try to write him a ticket, like, yo, you were peeing in the street. He's like, no, I wasn't. Because by that time, he was done. He was like, yo, I was not peeing on the street. And the dude was just like, yes, you were. Like, there's pee on your shoes and there's pee over there. He's like, that don't mean I peed on myself. I peed in the street. I was just like, fam, are you, like, what are you trying to do right now? Like, just take.
Is he a lawyer or?
Yeah, I was just like, we're not. This is not what we do right now. Like, just take a ticket, like throw the shit in the garbage, and like never go to court. Like, fuck it.
How much was the ticket?
I don't even fucking know. I was just like, yo, take it, nigga.
Like a ticket for peeing.
It's like $50.
Yeah, it's not that much.
I was just like, he's like, no, nigga, no.
The only bad thing about when you get those tickets, you have to. Well, you can pay online, but you used to have to go to the courthouse and stand on the wild OD line.
You can't see it, but just as nodding.
Yeah. And you be in that line.
Personal experience.
You be in that line. You be like, yo, look at all these fucking scumbags. Look at these pieces of human garbage paying their tickets. Just unlike me, who made one simple mistake, one night of poor judgment. Okay, I am an angel with a dirty face. I don't know about the rest of y'all. Yeah, they're just judging because they're like, oh, what are you paying? Oh, charge of prostitution. All right, that's too. You're like. Disgusting. They get to me, they're like, what is that? I'm like, it's a simple open container.
That's it.
Someone behind me is like, couldn't be me. Who said that? I'll fight everyone in the fucking line.
Out of here.
And then the worst is if you get a desk appearance ticket in a borough that's not yours. Now you got to travel to some godforsaken place like Brooklyn and go to court. And if you got to be at court at 9, you got to leave the Bronx till like, I don't know, Wednesday to be there on Friday.
Yeah, 4 a.m. on Wednesday, yeah.
You got to pack your oxen and your JanSport and kiss your loved one goodbye because you might not make the journey.
You better hope you shoot a squirrel on the way there. And are you getting dysentery?
You can drinking water out the East River and shit.
Facts.
You go fishing by the South Seaport.
You get a chair for the Drake concert. Like, oh shit. Very rare.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I mean, so say don't do any crimes, y'all. You know what I mean? See, but that's the kind of advice you tell people, like, don't do any crime. Most crimes are not something you chose to do. It's just like you got caught up.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Like, I didn't wake up in the morning.
We was having too much fun.
Yeah. I didn't wake up this morning like, yo, I want to rob a bank. It's like, yo, I'm broke, nigga. I'm about to rob this bank.
I remember my last open container. Well, yeah, it was my last open container. I was at a bar. It was on Lower East Side, and there was too many people at the bar, and I could not. I had a nice buzz going, and I was like, I want to keep this buzz going. So I was like, I'm gonna go to the bodega on the corner, get a beer, drink it outside, and come back inside. Boom, bang, bing. Simple.
Easy.
Nope. Cops walked up on me, man. Why?
See, that's what I'm talking about.
Like, why don't you go stop a murder?
That was exactly. That's the
I don't know why
point
people say that because I don't know. Cops are like, "Oh, you want to drive around and see if we see a murder?" I'm like, "That's true. Yeah, you're right."
I mean, but ain't y'all supposed to be patrolling? Isn't that the
that is patrolling?
Patrol?
That is patrol. They're walking around looking for crimes, and I mean, in my head, I was like, "Oh, I'm a nice guy. It's not a crime." They was like, "It's a crime. It's literally like it not only is a crime, it's a blatant crime you did." Yeah, I'm like, yeah.
But
and then they were wild assholes because the first cop was like, "Hey, what you drinking, buddy?" And I was like, "Oh," and then the other two like pulled out their badges. I was like, oh, you got me, coppers.
That's the thing. Like, I feel like most cops now, instead of being like weighing like, yo, this is more serious than that, it's more like, yo, how can I fuck up this nigga's whole night? You know what I'm saying? Because I've had situations like that where it's like, yo, you go to the store. Straight same situation. Yo, the bar's too hectic. You with like 3-4 of your boys. You go to the store, you get a 6-pack. You know what I'm saying? You crack one on the way back to the bar, and then niggas find you and they hem you up. Then they're like, yo, what are you doing? Oh, you drinking beer? Oh, here's your ticket. By the way, let me see the other beer that's unopened, by the way, which is not illegal. The cop proceeds to take the beer and go like this. Hold it as high as he could over his head and then just drop it and smash an entire fucking 5 beers on the floor. I was fucking livid. I was like, yo, man, that was wild, not
cool.
That was, first of all, that was mad uncool.
I mean, not even where is it? It doesn't sound cool. If I was a cop, I would do shit like that.
That's what I'm saying.
That's what being a cop is. If you a cop, there's certain shit, like you could get killed on the job, or you get free donuts. You never have to wait for a red light and shit. Yeah. You could just fuck with niggas. You could just drive around and like, boop, boop.
Yeah.
And that niggas is mad nervous for no fucking reason, and then you and your partner are laughing while you drive away. Yeah. That shit is like, think about when you in GTA, when you drive around in a cop car, the dickhead shit you do. But then you got paid to do that shit.
Yo, my man who's a cop, I'm not gonna say his name because I don't want to.
I know him. I know who you're talking about. Yeah.
He doesn't give a fuck. Like that's why he became a cop.
Yeah.
And it's funny because like he was like, yo, I'm patrolling a certain section. I'm not even gonna say the section because I don't want to blow the nigga up at all.
Yeah.
Like I'm patrolling a certain section, but it's right by where you at. What you doing? Like, let's link up. I'm like, you on the clock, nigga. He's like, yo, let's link up. So I'm like, all right, cool. He links up with me. I'm literally smoking a blunt, like at the gas station, like coming out the gas station with the Dutch and shit. I already got an L lit. I got another Dutch in my hand or whatever. He daps me up. He's like, yo, it's my partner, so and so. And then I was just like, yo, let's fuck with these niggas. Because I'm with 3 of my mans. Yeah. But they like around the corner in the whip. And I was like, yo, let's fuck with these niggas. I was like, yo, when I come out, just like follow us for like a little bit. And then they're throwing the lights on, whatever. And then just go through the whole spiel of like, yo, let me see your license registration. And then I'm going to get out the car and I'm going to book it. And let's just see what happens. So like, yo, so fucking, the nigga, yo, he literally goes along with the whole plan. And his man is with it too. They come up and shit, and yo, the nigga took his gun out and everything. And I was just like, yo, he was like, yo, license registration, whose car is this? I was like, yo, this car's under my father's name, it's mine, but it's under my pop's name. And he was just like, all right, cool. So look, can you give me the insurance and everything out of the glove box? And I was just like, all right, cool. And then I go to open the glove box, and then I just open the passenger door and start booking it. And I just look back and I just see my man in the driver's side like,
you fucking wild.
Like straight terrified. Like, and the 2 niggas in the backseat are like, yo, holding on to the seat, like, yo, straight about to cry type shit. I was like, and I came back and I was like, got y'all niggas, Yeah.
They should have shot you. They really should have.
I did end up fighting one of my mans after that.
Oh my god!
But it was
someone did that at Yankee Stadium. I'm walking by and it's like, because Yankee Stadium. It was like a white kid comes out the bar, and then this one of the cops is like, "Hey, get over here," and the kid is like, "What?" He's like, "What?" He's like, "Get the fuck over here." And the kid's like, "What did I do? I didn't do anything." He's like, "Your mouth is off. Get the fuck over!" And like, so he's yelling, and the kid's like, and then you just hear from the car across the thing. He's like, "Hey, Joey, gotcha." I guess it's his uncle or some shit. Wow. And then they all do like the white guy bro hugs and shit. And then they stand and have like the white guy cop conversation with their hands on their heads. Like,
so
you in the 4-6 now?
How you doing over there?
Is the DeMarco over there?
Yeah,
he's a good guy. He's a good guy. I mean, the one time he shot the black guy, and I was like, go DeMarcus, go DeMarcus.
Yeah, you heard they got Yesenia, right? She
had the bricks.
She had bricks in the house.
Yo, shout out to Aphex Twin, who showed love to New York Legends last night, and guess who was one of the legends they showed? Yeah, boy.
Oh shit,
he's out here. You know what it is?
Oh shit, Aphex Twin, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Bronx, New York Legends.
That's right, yo.
With the visual arts, you know what it is?
Yo, shout out to him. He had the wild video where it was his face on like a woman's body with wild large tetas.
I mean, listen. We just be moving the cultural needle, finger popping the zeitgeist, as they would say,
all day, stupid,
all day. You know what it is? It's
shout out to us.
It's not easy being cheesy.
That's right.
As a Cheeto the cat.
Kermit would say?
No, Kermit.
Chester Cheetah.
Chester Cheetah, right?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. I ate a handful of crunchy Cheetos last night, and I will say that the puff ones are better.
Dude, yeah. What about cheese? You still fuck with cheese doodles?
Cheese doodles?
Yeah, like the fried ones versus the puffy ones.
That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the puffy ones I fuck with.
No, but you said Cheetos. That's some rich shit. I'm talking about cheese. I'm talking about the hood cheese doodles.
Oh yeah, cheese doodles. Yeah.
They not because the Cheetos are a better quality product. I will not lie.
Yeah.
Will not lie.
Yeah. You know what it is? BJ's got that stupid shit where you could get 2 brolic ass bags of chips for like $5.
Gotcha.
So I'm like, yo, Cheetos, Funyuns.
Do you ever get the boxes with the little bags, like the multi-packs?
Yeah.
I bought one of those the other day, and I was like, wow, my life is a little out of control. My life is a little out of control. It's 3 a.m, and I am eating like 5 mini bags of chips, and they were weird flavors. It was like sweet honey chip, and like sweet. But I was like, this is disgusting.
It's like the leftover shit. It's like licorice flavored Lay's. I'm like, nigga, I do not want this.
But then I was like, another one.
That's why I stopped buying the wholesale boxes of candy bars, because they sell like the wholesale box of like Snickers, Reese's, and like Baby Ruth or whatever the fuck, all in one box, and it'd be like 60 bars, full size candy bars in one box. Yeah, and I would just get smacked and smash like 4 or 5 of them shits. Like, and I'm just like, you know what? I like both of my legs to be my own legs and not prosthetics. So you gotta chill.
That's the thing, man. Because I was, what was it? DiGiorno pizzas. That used to be my thing at like 4 a.m.
You got, but that Joe, those things are like, it's like doing a dab, because it's like you got to time it perfectly. Because if you let it go too long and that crust is like wild, dry, and crunchy, nigga, it's like
speak on it.
It's not hitting.
Speak on it, my brother.
But then if you don't leave it in for long enough, then the middle is like the cheese don't melt right. It's like you get that little cold spot in the middle. That shit is whack.
That shit is whack.
You know what I'm saying?
Hot Pockets too. Hot Pockets are a very iffy food. Yeah. First of all, when you put it in the microwave, you're just like, damn, this is where my life is at.
That's like, nigga, I say that shit as soon as I put it in the sleeve.
I say that when I put it in the shopping cart. Like I be in, you know how like when you first started having sex, you was embarrassed about condoms. Like I be having a Hot Pocket, but I have like toilet paper over them and shit.
Yo, just
they put just like nothing worse than they scared. They're like price check. I'm like no. Just like here's $20.
But just put it in there.
Price check for the it's the Bachelor edition of Hot Pockets for lonely niggas.
Yo.
This nigga got ham, cheese, and radish.
Yo, this nigga got the I don't got a bitch flavor.
Yo. Are we still running the pathetic 5 for 10 deal?
Yo.
Hold on, sir. I'm gonna find out if you can eat tonight.
Yo, hold on. Let me check. Yo, Yesenia, yo, can we get a price check on this? Yeah, let me look. Let me see what he got. Oh,
we still sell these?
Oh, you get pussy, nigga?
Nah, not with this.
Damn.
Yo, my father had these in jail. I'm just like, can we
just
speed this along?
Like, I gotta go.
She's like, ID, please. I was like, why
you need an ID?
ID, please.
So I could tell that you a fucking lame ass nigga. You over here buying Hot Pockets at 3 a.m, nigga. That's why. So I know not to fuck with you.
Damn.
Stupid.
They can't even enjoy some Hot Pockets.
That's right.
Hot Pocket.
That's
even the thing is like
you're not living right, Poppy.
The commercial's like Hot Pockets. It's just like Hot pockets.
Hot pockets.
Hot pocket.
I guess.
That's when you open your fridge. You be like,
I guess.
Hot pockets. Ain't nobody gonna go like, oh, I'm hungry. You can't be like,
try lean pockets too.
oh my god. What is that? Lean pockets like I want to die, but just not. I just want to die today.
Nah, I want to die in like a couple months.
Yeah.
Like give me instead of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, which is in entire gram of sodium,
give me 955.
Give me like 955.
Yeah,
I'll be good with that.
Yeah, remember?
Throw some like freeze dried peas in my
Remember
shit.
that iconic song with Donnell Jones, a Big Pun? He said, I'm on lean pockets, trying to live. I'm trying to live.
It's so hard.
He's talking about the crust because he left it in too long.
Yeah. You ain't taking my sleeve, taking my hot pocket. I want that.
Also, if you have to add a new invention to cook a food,
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
Anytime the instruction is like, yo, flip the box inside out. It's a tiny wok.
No.
Add the microwave magnifying glass on top.
Nope.
Ventilate the pouch.
Nope.
Put it on the left hand side.
Nope.
This is the worst part. Any instructions is like, yo, cook for 3 minutes, open, stir, put film back on, and cook for 3 more minutes. I'm like, nah, just let it cook for 6.
Yeah.
Why am I stirring? What is the stir? It's going around in a circle. Isn't that stirring it? That's how you know the shit ain't healthy.
You know
the shit. Like I'm like this. They're like, yo.
Look, man. I gave one of my kids a Velveeta mac and cheese cup the other day, and I felt like a terrible parent. I'll call ACS on myself.
They're self-reported.
I was like, yo, fam, look, I just fed my kid a mac and cheese cup. I'm sorry. Like, come take me now. Like, this shit is like 8,000 milligrams of sodium.
Yeah,
like,
I mean, they look good. You be at the supermarket, you're like, yo, it's probably tasty.
It's probably easy.
It's easy to cook.
You know what I'm saying?
And you cook, you be like, your microwave just be looking at you like, you piece of garbage. I thought you liked your kid.
I thought you was warming up real food, nigga.
You look at the stats and be like, yo, this is like, it's like 50% sodium. For one person, if they have this shit, like, but then in your head, you're like, well, I didn't really have a meal this morning, so it's just not that. But,
that's how I think I'll be fucked up now with the iced tea, because I was just like, yo, this shit is it's way less sugar than the thing. And he's like, no, nigga. He's like, you're in one serving. He's like, this is 4 servings in a bottle. I was like, God damn. I was like, God damn, fat God.
It's also got a lot of carbs.
Oh, man.
That's unrefined sugar, but sugar nonetheless.
With sugar nonetheless.
Yo.
Oh, man.
Shout out to my son's science fair who I went to yesterday, and they had like the Gatorade, soda, water, milk, this, that, and it showed you how much sugar is in each by physically putting like tablespoons of sugar into a bag and being like, this is how much sugar. And I was like, fam, first of all, like, that's not completely true. You know what I'm saying? Like you said, like it's carbs. It's not like refined sugar. Like niggas don't dump half a bag of Domino into Arizona iced tea.
It looks good though, and it's better than those whack ass volcano experiments.
Oh my god, there was like 10 of those.
They banned those in my side because my side fair was like for super smart kids. Like one girl in my 4th grade came up with a new mathematical equation. Like shit was on that level. I was like, yo, niggas is under pressure. I tried to recreate the Big Bang, and my parents were like, whoa.
What are you doing?
They was like, you gonna do what? I was like, yeah, because my mother came and I was turning on the stove and I kept blowing out the burner. And she's like, what are you doing? And I was like, I need to get methane because it's one of the building blocks because I need to do the spark to do. And they were like, yeah, you're going to just read a book.
What you need to do is just get cows to fart because they fart, and that's what's gonna fucking fuck up the environment.
That's what AOC says.
That's what she says.
That's what she says.
She wants your cheeseburger. She wants to take your cheeseburger. Are you gonna
clutch it out my dead hand?
She wants your motherfucking hot pockets. That's what she wants.
Tired of her crazy. Her crazy hot Latino ways. Why don't you come on my show and debate me?
Debate me.
Why don't you come on? Use her feet. Her beautiful little Latino feet.
Yeah.
With her supple toes to walk over here.
With your beautiful pedicure.
And ask me on my show called Bobby's Podcast.
That's
records
right.
3 times a month from my mother's basement.
That's
and
right.
Debate me, you coward.
Yeah, come debate me.
Or walk on my back. Either way, it's
Either
whatever.
Way. Hey, look. If you debate me and I win, you kick me in the balls.
Yeah.
That's fair. If you win, you kick me in the balls.
That's fair too.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on our show.
I just want you to torture my balls.
Yeah, we kind of got that, bro.
Because I'm a fucking pervert.
And I'm proud to be an American.
Man, and I know that I could be a pervert.
Somewhere some Fox execs are like, yeah, this is the next thing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
This next thing. These
people,
they got it.
I bet you Tucker Carlson jerks off to pictures of AOC. 100%.
I bet you Tucker Carlson jerks off the shit that we can't even mention on this podcast. He's not jerking off the regular shit. Nah. He's jerking off the shit that when the detectives on Law and Order enter the room, he closes his browser very fast.
He's like, whoa.
You don't have a warrant. There's like some program you have to play a piano code to access the database. The database. His lawyer's like, my client's a popular conservative TV host.
Yeah.
This is allegations.
These allegations, they're baseless. They're baseless.
Come on.
He's on vacation right now in Mexico with his family. Then they cut him at a donkey show. He's just enjoying the shit out of it. Like, yeah, fuck the shit out. Yeah, fuck that donkey.
All of this is allegedly. All of this is allegedly. You know what it is? We're not trying to give you. We're not trying to start a new rap group called Litigation.
You know what I'm saying? You're trying to hold on to that bag, boy.
Oh, we trying to hold on to that bag. Like, I'm holding on to the bag like Mary Poppins holding on to an umbrella, flying. Like, yo, never letting go.
Yo,
it's right there.
You know what I'm saying? You niggas trying to stop the fucking gravy train?
Stupid. I'm not going to let you
Fuck
get the
out of
chance.
here.
Gravy train never stops.
Never
stop. Never too much. Never too much. Never too much. I'm like, oh shit! What y'all know about this? Oh shit! Yo, somebody hold my thug passion. I'm about to go for y'all youngins don't know about this. Lean with it, rock with it. Oh shit! Watch it.
Hey, what's gonna be like our old head shit that comes on and that we say like, oh, y'all don't know nothing about this? Is it gonna be like
One
Controller or some shit?
You said
One Call Away. Wow.
Is that already the?
I think it's like that's like half old head. Like I feel like in 5 years that'll be like official old head joint.
Nah, right now like our thing.
I'm talking about when we're like 55. Oh shit. I'll
be like, oh shit.
That's right, cuz.
And then they're like the future president. They're like, give it up for new president. Malia Obama.
Yes.
Like, oh shit.
That's right.
Clarence Thomas is like Millie rocking.
Yeah, With the Jack Farms. Ray J's doing a fucking announcement and shit. He's like, hey, I got bunny eyes. But listen, I'm really here to introduce Malia Obama.
But we all know what the real Wash Person song is.
Woo! Woo!
Nigga, you can feel the linen.
Oh my God.
Let's go. This is the official.
Hey, it's Sex Boogie live from Amazura.
That's
What's
right,
up, y'all?
That's
you know
right.
We the vibes of Sex Boogie.
We're recording here with Video Music Box.
That's right, y'all. I'm right here with my man Dre. My man Dre, he's the assistant principal for Lehman High School.
How y'all doing? I want to give a shout out to my 3 adult kids, Shamrock, Scott, and Milisha. I want to give a shout out to my beautiful grandchildren. Y'all graduating this weekend. Your grandpa's having fun out here. Also, I would like to give a big shout out to all my Kappa people. How you?
Yeah. Shout out to my man right here. All right. And we got my girl Tremonisha in the building. She's the head nurse at Bronx, Lebanon in the cardiology section.
You know that's right. Mama need to have a life too. I want to thank you all my babies for being able to take care of yourself, and I didn't have to lock the door or anything right here. Mommy left her birth control at home, so you know what I'm saying. If y'all want to shoot the pussy up, go ahead.
That's what I like to hear.
So
that's right. Show around. Let me see that G unit. Let me see that G unit.
Oh, you know what it is. Also, if you want to follow me. My page is members.blackplanet.com. 774 Sexy Beauty Always Wet. That's also my work email address.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Your word. I friended her too. You know what I'm saying? She got a gift of dripping cherries on her shit.
Ow. Ow. All right. See, that was a tame episode. That was wild.
That was
episode 155.
Very cash.
Very low key, low energy. That was our acoustic energy. Yo, it's your boy Desus Nice. Okay, Young Chipotle, aka Pockets Fat like Cheerio. Also, who's the kids at? Oh, Pockets Stay Fat like here we go.
Yeah, right.
Live from the Teen Choice Awards. Chris Stats for singing. Some of them I know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Shades Fuego.
Woo.
Mr. Nando's with Arando, 1994, Makil going off, the Juve boss, MC Luca Gunga P. Put up for 40, which is shorty, aka don't talk to me in the Uber pool, because I don't know you.
I don't know
the
you.
original, my plus one guy, plus one, so don't make a fuss on. These are Rossi, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost Mufasa, Young Charcuterie without the coonery, aka Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K. Hello, K. Two Phone Jones, DJ Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot. Blurry. Yeah. DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Wash FM. Up next, we got the legend.
Oh shit.
What y'all know about Young Bleed?
Oh shit.
You hear me, nigga? See, I ain't got that many friends. Why? Tombstone, piece of BA. Me and Root go to war with anybody.
You know how you know Young Bleed's album was fire? Because he had 2 tigers on it, and he was walking up steps to heaven. It was pen and pixel. That's right. And right now that doesn't seem so deep, but back in the day, you was like, yo. That's the kind of shit you see and you drop out of school. Like, fuck that. I got all the education I need from these album credits.
Word. He's saying something right now. He's speaking to me.
He gave me that basic instructions before leaving Earth.
Oh, shit. AKA Bible.
Whoa. The Curry Gold, Desus Spice, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you can't contain him. The Human Mermaid, Where the Jaw, Young Aaron, the Rich Provocateur, Henrik Budcoast, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the Human World is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Deckerton, Ricky Tiki Squabi, Greg Popovich, Morris Sayers, Richard Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Magaby, but I got the cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the Art Danet, the Dundada Ganoush, the No More Cup of Noodles, the Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Over Casanova. We made cent, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change, give me big money wine.
That's right.
The only answer my salute is Dip Set. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left, man's his mom.
Yo, cheesy, bro.
Chill, Rizzuto. Holy cow, catch me at the money store. Mr. South Plus goes, all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Yeah.
Feel these soft palms. Ooh, it feels like a ghost is touching me. Me got OJ, purple stuff, soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hey. Don't look at how much corn syrup I have in me. David Yer, man. These expensive, these are red bottoms, these are bloody shoes. Smoke Keen Noah's Andrew Coonanen. I'll kill you in a sexy way. AK the Junior, Energy God Junior, come sit down, pop me charger.
Sit on it!
And let me play in your garden.
Yeah.
And I'm not talking about the real garden. No. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze. The gossip, the topic of gossip is Sayasic. Out to the 11791. You know what it is? 2019 lacrosse champions again, bro. You know, you see me with my lacrosse stick on the LARR. Don't touch me if I'm in the quiet car talking out loud.
You know what I'm saying?
AKA Grandpa Joke, when you see Charlie, you see me, don't. You know what I'm saying? Don't touch that golden ticket.
Don't do it.
Hey, man, Dead-Eye Jesus, how you feeling? Morning, Sheriff.
Hey.
Mind if I shoplift some smart order? Mr. Shopping that street, he was a bad breeze like I'm easy. Please believe me, the black Asian addict, crack your back like a Craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, a mesh marina, a fresh marina, a cold demeanor, the sheep mask killer, no one could be iller. The black Zach Morris, Port Morris, aka Problematic Bay. It's not a secret family if you post them, but put the emoji stickers over their face.
That's right, that's true.
It's true.
You know what I'm saying?
At least it's some recognition, right?
Factual.
Okay.
Robinson Cano saw that.
Robinson Cano was like, see, papi, see.
Sí,
Like.
Claro que sí. Yo, assholes. Episode 155, you know what I'm saying?
You know
we out here, we wrapping it up, you know what I'm saying? We about to give away some bread. You know what I'm saying? I said that in a very innocuous way as to not follow or break any parameters of our deal with Cash App. Shout out to Cash App, you know what I'm saying?
Cash App.
You know what I mean? It's your boy the Mero, aka the Human Durag Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? AKA skirt loader, hop the curb, hit your fucking 4-inch beagle, nigga, and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck, nigga. I do not. AKA I don't fucking baby, I fucking mang, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, Loki. You know what I'm saying? AKA no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. I was a fucking raccoon in Guardians of the Galaxy, as well as Groot, nigga. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga sideburns off. Stop fucking playing. AKA CC Dab Bathia, you know what I'm saying? AKA get into the shmoney and the smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I might fall asleep with my phone in my hand, nigga. That's why I don't answer the text while the little dots are still there. You know what I'm saying? AKA I reopened and restocked Toys R Us by myself, out of pocket. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year. And I'm a Chris Christie that shit and shut it down to the public and only let my kids run around in that shit. Because I'm an asshole. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bitch Smack Biombo, AKA Diego Maradona. You know what I'm saying? I do more coke than niggas in fucking Black Monday. AKA Dick and your baby Matumbo. You know what I'm saying? You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now, okay? Understand that. AKA David Trisdale, nigga, worst record in the league. We don't give a fuck, nigga. Take that for data, nigga.
Tank you, nigga.
Yeah, word up. Give me Zion or give me death, nigga. Word up.
Exactly.
I will also accept Jay Morant as a Constellation Prize.
That's fair. That's
you know what I'm saying? He's a good guy. A.K.A. Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. Don't even matter because it was a Honda Fit. B, I pay for that shit out of pocket right now. My fucking pocket change. A.K.A. the Dominican Daddy. A.K.A. swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your fucking management when they come up here and ask for fucking selfies and ask me how their kids is doing. Steven. You like your little fucking cashier job, nigga, at the PetSmart, nigga? They put my fucking brownies food in the fucking cart, nigga, keep it moving. And no, I do not have a fucking card physically, but I have my phone number, and you about to take that shit. Okay, Barry?
It's Jeremy.
Whatever, Jeremy. You know what I'm saying? What? Gerald? I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm on TV. Suck my dick.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Put the fucking shit in the bag and keep it moving. I'm out of here. A.K.A. Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. Let me black out. Yo, the album's fire, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I got that new shit on deck. You know what I'm saying? I put Lenny guitar in your titi's toto, nigga. I don't give a fuck. I got Chelsea booze. Holla at me, nigga. I dare you hook off. You know what I'm saying? You niggas heard me with Ebro, dancing bachata and shit. Fuck out of here. You feel me? A.K.A. Latin Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you broke ass ain't got 5, you know what I'm saying? And if you do got 5, bro, or if you don't got 5 and you come to match and your weed is like pine dark green with no type of crystals or no type of color in it, get the fuck up out of here, my nigga, because we smoking that loud pack over here on this
loud
side.
Pack.
Only that pack, yeah.
Smoking on those baby dicks.
That's
uncut,
right.
Only. Only the BCC.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Tom Brazier girl got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Field the assets consensually. I'm going to explore your cosmos, man. A.K.A. Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap out on live. Been doing it. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Frino, Messi MVP of Gelato. A.K.A. Zanel Bettingfield. I ain't got to get some sticks. Now you gotta get some sticks. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my sister as well. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? And we still out here, you know what I'm saying? Even though P.O. done glowed up and he's not flipping the coals no more, we still holding it down on Dykeman Holla. A.K.A. been bossing. My hands are gifted. So gifted, in fact, that I was able to alter Twitter's neuro service and get Mero released from Twitter jail. Yo, fam, this is Monday. Like, it just timed out. Like, you didn't really do nothing. It just timed out.
Oh, wow.
Wow. I thought you was nice with it. Candy, get the strap for this coward, this ungrateful coward. A.K.A. I open your fucking medicine cabinet because you know who the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen, man. A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Lucius Lion ass nigga, man. Listen, man, this is not Claritin, Michael Anthony, man. It's a very strong OxyContin. You don't need Julio, man. We can do this together, man. Come on now. I got rid of Jamal. You my new son, Michael Anthony. That's season 3 Empire. They get rid of Jamal and bring Michael Anthony in as the son. Woo! Lee, holla at your boy. A.K.A. Baby Newport 245 niggas got garbage on the way. A.K.A. Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. I got your girl bagging up. Podcast butt Nilsy nigga in the office. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. live from the Checkers on Fordham Road, opening doors for patrons. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your DD is Sucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? Because if you leave onto the tracks, we'll lose a legend. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. there's no more rock stars, mate. I told you, there's only 2 left. It's the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a dream pack of krills off in my butt. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Bodega Boys for teaching me how to boof. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you guys. You're the best. A.K.A. I'm my friend says I'm never going to fail. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. chilling at the crib off edibles, balancing his portfolio soundly. It's Barmelo's Anthony.
For 3.
Bang! Wow, what a solid investment of Franklin Templeton. That was not an ad. A.K.A. if you see me at Target with my eyes redder than the game's Chucks, nigga, approach me like a motherfucker Ursine mammal, nigga, while I eat my almond butter, nigga. I'm just trying to see if oat milk is really the best option for me and my lactose intolerance. You understand? So respect my agency or I will claw your face off, especially if I'm with my Cubs, nigga. Hey, A.K.A. hey, kids, it's fucking Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's party. I'll show up to your kid's party after it's already over and everybody's gone. I will have urinated on myself and expect full payment. So if you don't pay me, I'm coming with a chopper. You know what I'm saying? You're not getting your deposit back either, motherfucker. AKA
Benzo.
AKA Skibbity boo.
He's like, sir, I have important questions regarding my child's birthday party. Every time I ask you for an answer, you just make sound effects.
Skibbity boo.
That's not an answer. I need my deposit back.
I'm stepping away now. Don't follow me. AKA, I'm so fakely to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. That nigga's high off melatonin and Starbucks lemonade right now, dog. He's gonna have a great nap and wake up refreshed. You know what I'm saying? And mumble into a microphone. AKA, Hasan, tírame la fucking pita, coño. ¿Qué fue? Llega el hijo de FIFA, tú sabes que es loco conmigo. El que mueve el movimiento, ponte el cloro, bleach, mamá huevo. La envidia no mata, pero mortifica. Dame banda, que yo me estoy buscando lo mío. Y tú eres un Lamborghini Sport Turbo, coño. Tú jalas más juca que 10 chapi. Váyase de ahí, coño, que la 38 no se tranca, loco, y te exploto. Estate claro. You know what I'm saying? Como siempre, shout out a la casa, shout out a Casa. Y shout out Lost Me, shout out DJ Hasan y 6, coño, que pone la fucking nota. Loco, si tú no tienes cuarto, quédate en tu casa, coño, con tu perro y tu fucking pescadito y tu vaina, loco. No me hagas coro, que yo no haga coro con gente arrancada. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Basi, shout out Jubilee, shout out Dímelo, shout out Broqueta, el Capitán, y shout out mi presidente Pío, coño. Entonces, la secretaria de defensa está activo en el meneo con el cañón. Ya tú sabes que lo que me quité ya. You know what I'm saying? Y si tú quieres, loco, si tú quieres gramo, yo lo tengo en Odobón. Tírame.
Is it done? Oh.
Yes.
I need you to end that with like the microwave beep.
Yo, your Spanish death threats are ready.
Look at the package like, I gotta let it sit for 2 minutes. Oh, jeez.
I gotta cool off.
It says the vented, but it's too hot. Shit. So hot.
Oh, shit. It's just cool.
I should have used the pot holders, but I'm a guy. I'm trying to use my t-shirt and shit. Like, no.
Or like a wet paper towel.
Just like,
oh, shit.
Episode 155. Shout out to Milk Studio. Shout out to Legends Rock the Jam. Shout out to Hasan. Shout out to Victor. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to Cash. Out. See you next week.
Holla. Peace.